Welcome back to rTech. Today we review the SeCro USB 3 card reader. So got this from Amazon for a good deal. Cost me about 400 rupees Indian, and they're claiming big transfer numbers. This is 5 Gbps transfer rate card. I don't know whether it's going to do that much, but this is what they claim. And it's made by a company called SeCro. A very simple device. You just stick in a memory card and it's going to act like a USB drive. Helps you transfer photographs from your cameras or your phones. So it comes in this very simple old-fashioned packaging. It's just a sandwich packaging which has this device in between. Not much of details mentioned on the packaging itself. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, there is a thank you note from the seller. You need to leave a review and email it to them, and they can probably give you a small gift. So what else is on the box? So it says runs on 5V DC input current, about 100 to 500 milliamps, and reads any kind of small memory cards. You need an adapter that doesn't come with this, and this will do transfer rates of 640 MB per second. So looking at the device itself, nice pebble-like finish on it, and I like the way the branding is engraved on this device. It's not too sloppy, it's kind of very subtle. So it's got this enclosed design. So yeah, at one end you have the slot where you can install a SD card. Other end is a USB plug. So there's no adapter. So if you're using a micro SD HC card, you'll have to actually put this SD card adapter in it. So let's go ahead and put this in. So I'm going to install a class 10 32 GB card in this. We're going to see if this does a good job in terms of transfer rates. So there you go, the card fits in, and it only goes halfway, and it will still close the cap at the back. So let's use the USB 3 slot on the cabinet. So I have a H500 case, and the first two slots are the USB 3 slots. So once you plug this in, there are no indicator lights. I just want to check if it has any. Okay, there you go. Computer has detected the USB 3 card. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can run some tests on the card, and let's see if it actually does some good speeds. I'm going to compare this with another card, which is a normal pen drive, and that's again a high-speed card, USB 3 pen drive. So let's see what is the speed comparison we have. On the left, I'm going to put the data for our SeCro card reader, and on the right I'm going to use a normal pen drive. Okay, I'm going to use a simple test here. I think this is called the crystal disk. So it's going to test different modes of read and write on the SD card as well as the pen drive. As you can see, the read speeds are much higher on the pen drive. and it's just about completing the read speed, and it's also started the write speed. I've actually sped this up. It takes a long time, so it's very strange. The write speeds are actually higher on the micro SD card, but the read speeds are higher on the pen drive. So I think it's purpose built. I mean, the micro SD cards are actually built for higher writing speeds. It's not a playback device, unlike the pen drive, right? So I think that's what's making the difference. Just trying to finish off the test. Just waiting for the last one. Yep. And that's it. So it shows that the pen drive is faster in terms of reading, but the micro SD card does a good job at writing. So that's my short review on the SeCro USB 3 card reader. It's a recommended buy if you're looking for a simple device to kind of read your SD cards or micro SD HD cards. I'll leave the links in the description below if you want to buy this. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If not, you hit the dislike button. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.